Welcome to Class and Test, and in these chapters we are going to learn about mitochondria. Mitochondria first discovered by Colliker. Mitochondria first discovered by Colliker in the voluntary muscles of fight in insects and were called granules. Term mitochondrion, Greek mitothread, chondrion, granule was given by C. Benda in 1897 AD. Mitochondria are absent from prokaryotes, present in all eukaryotic cells except mature mammalian RBCs. The shape is variable and may be granular, fibrillar, spherical, that is, oval, sausage, or discoidal. So are polymorphic organelles. So mitochondria are polymorphic organelles. Mitochondria size is also variable but depends upon the metabolic state of a cell. Average size of mitochondria is 1 to 4 micrometer and length are 0.2 to 1.2 micrometer in diameter. These are visible under light microscope. The number of mitochondria is also variable and depends upon the metabolic rate of cells. Number of mitochondria depends upon the metabolic rate of the cell. These are more in growing, dividing and metabolically active cells. Minimum number of mitochondria is 1 in yeast. Minimum number of mitochondria is 1 in yeast, Chlamydomonas, cholera, etc. and certain protozoans, that is Trypanosoma, Micromonas, etc. Maximum number of mitochondria are found in flight muscle cells of insects, that is 5 lakh per cell. Okay. A mitochondria is formed of two limiting membranes and two chambers, each having a specific enzymes. These are two in number, which form an envelope like a thermos bottle. Each is 60 angstrom thick and is lipoproteinous and trilaminar. Outer membrane is with less proteins and is freely permeable, while inner membrane is with more proteins and is semi-permeable. Inner membrane is semi-permeable, more protein. Outer membrane is less with less proteins and freely permeable. Outer membrane is smooth, while inner membrane is produced inwards into a number of folds called cristae, which increases surface area of cell respiration. These cristae may be branched or unbranched, tubular or filiform, finger-like, and incomplete or complete. The number of cristae depends upon the size of mitochondrion and metabolic rate of cell. Each crystal has an intracrystal space which is continuous with outer chamber. On the M-phase matrix of inner membrane, there is a series of regularly placed knob-like F1 particles or elementary particles or oxysomes and enzymes and electron carrier molecules of electron transport chain, so are called ETP or electron transfer particles. So M-phase are called F1 particles are called ETP or electron transport particles. Each F1 particle is formed of three parts. Number 1, base piece F0 subunit. It is a rectangular and embedded in a inner membrane. Number 2, stalk F5 to F6 subunit. It lifts the head. And third, head piece F1 subunit. It is spherical. Number of F1 particles per mitochondrion varies from 10,000 to 1 lakh. In the head of F1 particles, enzyme ATP synthetase is present, which controls synthesis of ATP. So these are also called ATP particles. So F1 particles are called ATP particles. Outer or inner membrane chamber or perichondrial space. It lies between two membranes. It is filled with less denser medium formed of water, minerals, enzymes, etc. Inner chamber, it lies inside inner membrane. Inner chamber lies inside inner membrane and it is filled with a more denser and granular mitochondrial matrix which contains enzymes of protein synthesis, lipid synthesis and Krebs synthesis. Mitochondrial matrix also contains 70S ribosomes called mitoribosomes. 70S ribosomes, mitoribosomes in mitochondrial matrix. A number 2 to 6 in numbers of circular and naked empty DNA molecules, riboflavin, granules of calcium phosphate and divalent Mn++ or Mg++ ions. Mitochondrion contains all requirements of protein synthesis as 70S ribosomes, DNA molecules to form mRNA, ATP molecules to provide energy. The mitochondria can form some of the required proteins, but for most of proteins, these are dependent upon nuclear DNA and cytoplasmic ATS ribosomes, so are called semi-autonomous organelles. Mitochondria are also called as semi-autonomous organelles. Mitochondria are called powerhouse or storage batteries or ATP mills as these are the sites of ATP formation, also the site of thermogenesis. Yolk nucleus, a mitochondrial cloud and Golgi body controls vitellogenesis. Cristae of mitochondria are similar to mesosomes of bacterial membrane. DNA similarities between mitochondria and bacteria. Now we see that similarities between mitochondria and bacteria, that is number one, cristae of mitochondria are similar to mesosomes of bacterial membrane. DNA is circular, double-stranded and naked in both mitochondria and DNA. Both multiply by binary fission and both mitochondria and bacteria have 70 types of ribosomes. New mitochondria are formed by binary fission of pre-existing mitochondria. Next, plastids. Term plastid was given by Haeckel in 1866 AD. These are found in all plant cells and some protists, that is euglenoids and diatoms. These are light microscopic structures on the basis of a specific function and pigments. Plastids are of two types, A. leucoplasts and B. chromoplasts. Leucoplasts and chromoplasts. Differences between leucoplasts and chromoplasts. Leucoplast, leucos, white, and chroma, Greek word color. Largest site colorless plastids and chromoplasts. These are pigmented, so are colored. Leucoplasts have no grana and chlorophyll. Chromoplasts found in those parts which are exposed to light, that is leaves, flowers, etc. And leucoplasts found in those parts of plants which are not exposed to light, that is roots, rhizomes, seeds, etc. Chromoplasts are involved in photosynthesis, pollination or dispersal of seed or fruit. Leucoplasts involved in storage of food. Three types of leucoplasts. Number one, amyloplasts, store starch found in potato tuber and grains of wheat and rice. Number two, aleuroplasts or proteinoplasts, store proteins found in maize grains. Third, elaioplasts or oleoplasts, store fat found in seed of castor, mustard and groundnut, etc. Three types of chromoplasts. Number one, chloroplasts, also called as autoplasts. Green plastid contain chlorophyll and carotenoids. Phaeoplasts found in brown algae contain xanthophylls and fucoxanthin. Rhodoplasts found in red algae and contain red pigment phycoerythrin. Chloroplasts, Greek word chloros meaning green and plastos meaning formed. Chloroplast discovered by Anton von Leeuwenhoek Term chloroplast was given by a Skimper in 1883 AD, found in photosynthetic mesophyll cells of leaves and green stem. Also found in some protists, that is Euglena. These are absent from bacteria, cyanobacteria, fungi, and animals. Chloroplast shape varies widely, cup-shaped in Chlamydomonas, a spiral ribbon-like in Spirogyra, grid-line shaped in Eulothrix, branched and star-like in Jagnema. In higher plants, it is a spherical, oval, or discoidal. Chloroplast number varies, that is only one chloroplast in Chlamydomonas and Eulothrix, 1 to 16 chloroplasts in Spirogyra, 20 to 40 chloroplasts per cell in higher plants. An internodal cell of Chara has several hundred chloroplasts. Average size of chloroplast is 50 to 10 micrometer long and 2 to 4 micrometer in diameter. This is the Chara and algae. Chloroplast ultrastructure. A. Limiting membrane. B. Stroma or matrix. And C. grana. A. सबसे पहले हम लोग लिमिटिंग मेम्ब्रेन देखते हैं क्लोरोप्लास्ट का. 2 in number, each is 40 to 16 angstrom thick, lipoproteinous and trilaminar. Outer membrane has less proteins and is more permeable. Inner membrane has more proteins and is semi-permeable. Between two membranes, there is a fluid-filled intermembranous periplastidial space. B. Stroma or matrix. It is denser and granular ground substance present inside the inner membrane. It is formed of soluble proteins more than 50% and also has 70 S ribosomes, plastidoribosomes, circular and necked DNA molecules called plastidome, messenger RNA and transfer RNA molecules, water minerals, Mn2+, Fe2+, Mg2+, and enzymes. It is the site of carbon dioxide fixation and protein synthesis. Most common enzymatic protein is ribulose biphosphate carboxylase, Rubisco. Most common enzyme protein found in stroma or matrix is ribulose biphosphate carboxylase, Rubisco. क्लोरोप्लास्ट और मैट्रिक्स, स्ट्रोमा. ओके, स्ट्रोमा देखते हैं और मैट्रिक्स क्लोरोप्लास्ट. सी. ग्रेना. Inner plastidial membrane is invaginated to form a number of oval-shaped closed sacs called thylakoids. Thylakoids are structural and functional elements of chloroplasts. Thylakoids are structural and functional elements of chloroplasts. These thylakoids contain all the requirements of light reactions, that is pigments like chlorophyll, carotenoids, plastoquinone, plastocyanin, etc., that are involved in photosynthesis. Each thylakoid has an intrathylakoid space called loculus bounded by a unit membrane. Along the inner side of thylakoid membrane, there are a number of small rounded paracrystalline bodies called quantasomes. A quantasome is a photosynthetic unit which can trap a mole of quantum of light and can bring about photosynthetic act. Each quantasome contains about 230 chlorophyll molecules and other photosynthetic pigments. In eukaryotic plant cells, a number of thylakoids are superimposed like a pile of quants to form a granum. The number of thylakoids in a granum ranges from 10 to 100. The number of grana per chloroplast also varies widely, that is 1 granum per chloroplast in Euglena and 40 to 60 grana per chloroplast in spinach. Adjacent grana are interconnected by flat tubules called stromal lamellae or frets. Like the mitochondria, the chloroplasts are semi-autonomous organelles. Because these have completely machinery, that is DNA, RNA, ribosomes and ATPase, to synthesize some proteins, while for some other proteins, these depend upon nuclear DNA and cytoplasmic ribosomes. chloroplast function. These are the site of photosynthesis, so are called kitchens of cells. These evolve oxygen for respiration. These store the starch in proteinous bodies called pyrenoids in algal forms. Okay, thank you.